I'm sure there won't be too many of you interested in this, but I've been after a pair of traditional sandals for quite some time. I've been selling shoes. I've got a few pairs. I've got too many, so I'm selling them. But I have been for, how many years now might this be? Maybe 12 years. Had an idea of getting some traditional sandals. I did have some before, but they were cheap and cheerful, and they came apart and couldn't be repaired. And I saw these. It's all a bit dodgy buying shoes online, but what can you do? I quite like the look of them, and they're well made, I think, by Grenson, so they should be. So here they are, Grenson Fisher. Here they are. I wonder if they come with shoe bags. They do. Quite nice quality. Don't know what the fabric is, but cotton possibly. Don't know. These are called the Fisher, I believe. Of course, will they fit? Most shoes do, if they get the right size. Obviously, I'm size 10. But you never know, do you? They look a good size, if you can judge from such things, but by now you'd think I would have some idea. Obviously for the summer, because they're sandals. So far, so good. Bring the light in a bit closer. These were on offer. Yep, made in England. Handwritten. Partially leather lined, as you'd expect for a summer shoe such as this. That and this. Seemingly Goodyear welted. I'll just try this one on to see. Yep, they fit true to size. And that's what that looks like in there, leather lined. Or the lining continues. And being Goodyear welted. The others that I had, the cheaper ones, they just came apart at the side. They weren't Goodyear welted. Just came apart, and he stuck them back, but the leather had just gone, so it just came apart again. So there we are.